Morning guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Ben Beps and it's a bit early. I'm up early because I'm going out with Tony. If you met him if you've seen my other vlog, you would know he's a guy with the FPV stuff. I'm talking quietly because it is early. We're going into Exeter and we're going to be filming with his FPV drone as well as doing some photos and stuff on the main DSLRs. So I need to cycle. I should probably get going because I need to be at a car park at 7:05 AM, so I should probably get going, yeah. So guys, I cycled to the quay around there car park and I met Tony. We cycled up, but I was struggling to go uphill, especially since this bike isn't mine, the seat isn't high enough. So Tony's gone off ahead. I'm going to meet him up in the high street once I get up there, so it'll give him time to sort out his drone before I get up there. I'll meet him there. Absolutely boiling, had to take my fleece off. I'm still cooking, my back is sweltering from carrying this massive heavy bag. Anyway, yeah, so a beautiful morning, the best morning we could have hoped for to do this. Would have been nice to come a bit earlier, but yeah, gonna go and get some nice shots now, see what we can put together. I'm here with Park Drone Films from the other vlog. Got his FPV drone. Where are we flying? And you already almost had a problem with the GoPro. Everything's sorted though. I don't really know what I'm doing today, so I'm just going to vlog whatever goes on. I'm going to get some photos as well, and I kind of want to film a cinematic video, but I haven't really planned that out yet. But it should be fun just watching him flying the drone and shooting stuff myself.
Baby, so go. Baby, so go.
Tony has been flying FPV for a while. That's what I've been focusing on. I got some cinematic shots down in the city centre. But for the past half an hour or so I've been up in this car park. Tony flew around there while I was walking down the spiral and down here. Got some cool shots of me, and then he tried diving John Lewis. We have all these seagulls, they're all gone now, but whenever the drone's in the air they freak out and fly around it, try and swoop in and get it, but when they get so close they get scared and like fly away again. There's a bit of an obstacle. We're now gonna get some photos of me and probably some stuff of the drone. I don't know, we've just been taking some of the drone as well. So yeah. Also tried time-lapsing something over there but it didn't work because there was no movement whatsoever because it's clear sky, so no clouds, no traffic anywhere because it's early. So yeah.